Hello, you guys are doing fantastic and I am so proud of you. Today we're going to go back to the makecode.microbit.org and we are going to use some new buttons today. So we're going to play with our microbit a little bit more and we're going to do the assignment called Shake and Smile. So we're going to click New Project and I'm going to call it Shake and Smile. I'm going to hit Create. Okay, what's different about this is that we actually don't need the forever block and we don't need the on start block. And we're going to use something new. We're going to go to our input and we're going to use a couple of different buttons on our microbit. So we're going to click on button and then we're going to get another input for button B because on our microbit there's an A and a B button. And I'm going to change that to B, and you notice that the color changes. I'm going to go to my LEDs, and we're going to make a smiley face. And then we're going to make a frowny face on the other one. So I'm going to just duplicate this. So I right click, hit duplicate, and drag my LEDs over. And I'm just going to change the smiley face to a frowny face. If you look at this, let's take a guess about what is going to happen. So on your microbit, there are two buttons on either side of the microbit, an A button and a B button. So what's going to happen when you press the A button? What will happen when you press the B button? Yes, that's correct. When you press the A button, you're going to get a smiley face, and when you press the B button, you're going to get a frowny face. The last thing we want to add is we actually want to add a motion, and we're going to add an on shake. So if you go to your input and you get on shake and drag it out, and we're just going to make another little face that's going to be different than the other faces. I'm going to plug in my microbit. And then your microbit starts up. I'm going to hit my reset button, which is right next to the USB cord. There is an A button and there's a B button. So that is what we're going to press when we start our program. So I'm going to download my program. And if you're using the virtual microbit, of course you can use the virtual microbit. You can click A and click B, and then you can shake it. Okay, you can test it there, and you can test it here. So I'm going to press my A button, and it shows the smiley face. I'm going to press the B button, and it's going to show the sad face, and now I'm going to shake it. And now it shows the funny little emoji for when I shake it. So you've learned a few new things about your microbit. We're going to continue to grow our knowledge, and I hope you guys are having a great time with this, and I hope you have fun creating.